Scan, list underscore display, in a Django ModelAdmin display attributes of ForeignKey fields. I have a person model that has a foreign key relationship to book, which has a number of fields, but I'm most concerned about author, a standard char field. With that being said, in my PersonAdmin model, I'd like to display book.author using list underscore display. I've tried all of the obvious methods for doing so, but nothing seems to work. Any suggestions?
As another option, you can do lookups like since Django 3.2 you can use display decorator.
Despite all the great answers above, and due to me being new to Django, I was still stuck. Here's my explanation from a very newbie perspective. Models.py. Admin.py, incorrect way. You think it would work by using model __ field to reference, but it doesn't. Admin.py, correct way. This is how you reference a foreign key name the Django way. For additional reference, see the Django model link here.
Like the rest, I went with callables too. But they have one downside: by default, you can't order on them. Fortunately, there is a solution for that. Django is greater than or equal to 1.8. Django is lower than 1.8.
Please note that adding the get_author function would slow the list underscore display in the admin, because showing each person would make a SQL query. To avoid this, you need to modify get_set method in PersonAdmin, for example. Before, 73 queries in 36.02 milliseconds, 67 duplicated queries in admin. After, 6 queries in 10.81 milliseconds.
For Django is greater than or equal to 3.2. The proper way to do it with Django 3.2 or higher is by using the display decorator.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.